The Bauchi State Ministry of Justice, in collaboration with the United Nations Population Fund, has organized a two-day training for prosecutors and investigative police officers, IPOs, from different police divisions across the 20 local governments within the state as it pertains to gender-based violence offenders. A gender desk officer of the State Ministry of Justice, Maimuna Ibrahim, disclosed that the IPOs, being the first point of contact with regards to the laws in handling SGBV cases, needs to get it right, hence the need to train them effectively, so they are abreast with the provisions of the law in the administrations of the criminal justice system. Now, Bauchi State correspondent Awal Hassan completes the story.
Addressing issues bordering on gender-based violence, especially as it relates to the law, requires a thorough investigation from the side of both the perpetrators and the victims. However, in many instances, cases related to GBV are often not given the necessary treatment as a result of inadequate ingredients needed to aid in securing the conviction of an offender.
As a prosecutor, we always have problems. When a case is investigated and then some ingredients are left out, we are left with no option other than to see the accused person walk away, even when we are within ourselves convinced that he really has committed that offense. And then at the end of the day, you will hear them saying, I mean people outside, or they answer, lauyan gwamnati kenan kudi ya karba, ko kuma yan sanda ai sayar da case din su kai.
Worried by this, the Bauchi State Ministry of Justice, in collaboration with the United Nations Population Fund UNFPA, have seen the need for training IPOs and prosecutors on investigation and prosecution of gender-based violence offenders.
This is a program that is aimed at training you people, giving you the key areas you should always consider in investigating cases that would be discussed involving gender violence and prosecuting those kinds of cases.
There is no way anybody could get it right if the IPO didn't get it right. They need to know and understand the concept of the law, why these laws are created. And aside from that, what is required from them or is required in their investigation, in their line of investigation, for successful implementation of that law.
Among the UNFPA transformative agenda is a need to ensure there is zero gender-based violence, as well as the need to partner with the State Ministry of Justice, which comes in handy.
Our partnership with the Ministry of Justice is part of the strategy to ensure no one is left behind in the intervention. So we expect that at the end of this 2 days training, that our capacity will be built to provide quality, accessible and affordable services to survivors of gender-based violence in the respective communities where we reside.
It's really an engaging session because the participants really engage with the facilitators. That's an indication that they are on the same page with their facilitators.
About 40 IPOs and prosecutors drawn from different police divisions across the 20 local government areas in Bauchi State are part of this training. Awal Hassan, Viewer TV News, Bauchi.